Hello students, welcome back to the class. So we are going to start today third lesson. Our lesson name transformation of sentences. Transformation of sentences. Yeah, so which means we can change the sentence into different kinds. Say example, from declarative sentence to exclamatory sentence, from statement to interrogative sentence. Like this we can change the sentence into different kinds. So now we shall see from one by one, from exclamatory sentence to declarative sentence. An exclamatory sentence can be changed into declarative sentence and a vice versa. Yeah, it is possible that we can change the sentence from exclamatory to declarative sentence. So for example, what an amazing scenery it is. So this sentence is a exclamatory sentence. Now we shall see how to change the sentence into declarative. So at the end of the sentence there is a subject it and verb is. So when we change it into declarative sentence, we have to place first subject then verb. So here subject is it. So we can write first it, then verb we have to write it is an amazing scenery. It is an amazing scenery. So what is the meaning of scenery? Which means natural looks. Natural looks. Now second example, how beautiful she is. Then end of the sentence we can see here exclamation mark is there. So this sentence is exclamatory sentence. So how we can change into declarative? First we have to write a subject and verb and then other adjective or adverbs. So here subject is she. So she is very beautiful. Instead of how, that change into very. So she is very beautiful. She is very beautiful. So like this we can change the sentence into many ways, like exclamatory to declarative. Now we shall go to next topic, from declarative to interrogative. Interrogative means we already discussed four kinds of sentence. There I have already explained what is interrogative, which means help to ask the question. First you have to remember the procedure how we can change into interrogative, from declarative to interrogative. So here a declarative sentence can be changed into an interrogative sentence by putting the verb before the subject. Yes, so when we change the sentence from declarative to interrogative, first we have to write the verb in the beginning of the sentence. At the end of the sentence we have to put the question marks. So we shall see example. She is very kind. She is very kind. This is declarative sentence. When we change into interrogative sentence, we have to write verb first. So here is a verb. So we have to make in the negative form, like is not. Instead of writing not, we have to write isn't. Now we can change. Isn't she very kind? Isn't she very kind? At the end of the sentence there will be a question mark. Okay, you can see beside note is there. In order not to change the meaning, we have to use, instead of not we can use like isn't, aren't, won't, hasn't, haven't. Like this we can use in the short form with apostrophe mark. And another example, I am in class 5. This is declarative sentence. The same procedure, we have to write the helping verb before. So here for I we can use or. Aren't I in class 5? So at the end of the sentence we can put question mark. So this way we can change the sentence from declarative to interrogative. And next point, when a declarative sentence has two verbs, one helping verb and one main verb, it can be changed into an interrogative sentence by putting the subject before the two verbs. Yeah, so when the sentence has a two verbs, one is helping verb and another one is a main verb, if it is there, then we can write the subject between the two verbs and we can make the sentence, we can make the interrogative sentence. For example, she has finished her homework. This is declarative sentence. Here two verb is there, one is has and other one is finished. So between two verbs we have to write the subject. So first we have to write has, because always helping verb come in the beginning of the sentence when we make interrogative sentence. So we shall write has. Then subject we have to write here. So hasn't she, here already subject is she, then main verb finished. Hasn't she finished her homework, and end of the sentence question mark. So another example, you are going to the fair, you are going to the fair. So fair means we know that is like a mela, market we can say. How we can change this sentence into interrogative, we shall see the same procedure. Here two verbs are there, one is helping verb and another one is main verb, or and going, these two verbs. So first or we have to write in the beginning of the sentence in the negative form, aren't, then subject you, then main verb going, aren't you going to the fair, at the end of the sentence question marks. So this way we can change the sentence into interrogative. So when the sentence has a two verb, one is helping and a main verb, if it is there, subject comes between the two verbs. Now we shall see next point. When a declarative sentence contains the adverb never, never is a word, is a adverb. This word come, when come in the declarative sentence, it become ever in the interrogative sentence. So that never word change into ever in interrogative sentence. We shall see the example, I never asked you to do it. So this is declarative sentence. In this declarative sentence, never placed here. So we shall change into interrogative. So first we have to write did, because why, asked past form is there. So do, did, does, if it is there, then here asked is a past form, so we can write here did I ever. So never change into ever in interrogative sentence, so we have to write here ever. Did I ever ask you to do it, ask you to do it, at the end we have to put question mark. So this way we can change the sentence into interrogative from declarative to interrogative. I hope you all are understand how to change these two sentence, exclamatory and interrogative. Your homework is, when you come tomorrow, you see this third lesson first page, what are the rules are there, that all you have to write in your copy with this example what given in the book. Thank you.